Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to make a glow effect in Photoshop. Let's start. At first select the layer, then click on Adjustments, and add Color Lookup. Then choose Moonlight from the list. Come back to Layer panel. Again click on Adjustments, and add Selective Color. Choose the neutrals here, then increase the cyan color to 9, and the black to 8. OK, that's well. Come back to Layer panel. Click the background. Then select the Quick Selection tool. Choose the Add to Selection. Zoom in here, and select the white areas. I speed up the video so I don't waste your time. To fix the edges, select Lasso tool and adjust the selections. OK, when it's done, press Ctrl J to make a copy. And rename it Glow. Bring up the layer, and select these two layers, then click to group them. And rename it Night Effect. Create a new group. And name it Glow Effects. Drag this layer into the group. Then change the mode to Linear Dodge. Click and drag to duplicate the layer. Then right-click, and convert to Smart Object. Now go to the Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 7 pixels and click OK. Drag to duplicate again. Double-click on Gaussian Blur, and set it to 250 pixels, then click OK. Drag to duplicate one more time. Double-click on Effect, and set the radius to 1000 pixels. Then click OK. Looks good. Close the group. Right-click on the group, and click the Blending option. Now hold Alt, and drag the slider. Then click OK. Click on Adjustments, and add Solid Color. Choose your favorite color, and click OK. Right-click on this, and create Clipping Mask. OK, that's well. You can also double-click here, to change to any color you want. And this is the result. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.